Investing, a beginner's guide to financial success. Hello there, aspiring investors. Welcome to our channel, Financial Success Secrets. I'm Alec, and today I'll be sharing a beginner's guide to finance and investments, helping you kickstart your journey towards financial success. Investing may seem like a daunting task, but with the right knowledge and strategies, anyone can get started and build a solid foundation for their financial future. So, let's dive in. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand the importance of setting financial goals. Ask yourself, what are you investing for? Is it retirement, buying a home, or simply growing your wealth? Clearly defining your goals will help shape your investment strategy and keep you focused on the bigger picture. The next step is to educate yourself about different investment options. Start by learning about stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Each has its own characteristics and risks, so take the time to understand them and choose the ones that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Diversification is key to managing risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across various asset classes and sectors. This way, if one investment underperforms, others may compensate and help minimize potential losses. One popular strategy for beginners is dollar cost averaging. Instead of trying to time the market, invest a fixed amount of money regularly. By doing so, you'll buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high, potentially reducing the impact of market volatility. Before investing, it's essential to have an emergency fund. This fund should cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. It acts as a safety net, ensuring you have a financial cushion in case of unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies. Now, let's talk about risk tolerance. Assessing your risk tolerance will help you determine the right investment mix for you. If you have a higher risk tolerance, you may be comfortable with more aggressive investments, whereas a lower risk tolerance might. Patience and a long-term perspective are crucial when it comes to investing. The stock market can be volatile in the short term, but historically, it has shown growth over the long run. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations, and stay focused on your long-term goals. Consider working with a financial advisor, especially if you're new to investing. A professional can provide guidance, help you create a personalized investment plan, and assist in monitoring your progress. They can also provide valuable insights and answer any questions you may have along the way. Lastly, never stop learning. The world of finance and investing is constantly evolving. Stay updated with market trends, read books, follow reputable financial websites, and continue expanding your knowledge. The more you learn, the more confident and informed you'll become as an investor. Remember, investing is a journey, and everyone's path will be unique. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or temporary market downturns. Stay focused, keep learning, and remain committed to your long-term financial goals. With perseverance and a solid investment strategy, you can achieve financial success. That's it for today's beginner's guide to finance and investments. I hope you found this information helpful as you embark on your investing journey. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Financial Success Secrets, for more valuable insights on building wealth and achieving financial success. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.